I have the perfect trend for you. It's called the Photo Dump Deluxe. I'm going to do mine and I'm going to show you how I do it. You're going to need 86 photos for this trend, so it's helpful to organize them into an album on your phone before you start. The other thing you need to do is make sure your photos are formatted correctly for the phone. So you want them to be full screen on the phone like this. You don't want black on the top and the bottom or small photos in the middle. So you need to go through the photos, and I went through them one by one and made sure they were all formatted correctly. So let me show you how to do that if yours are not. You're going to tap the photo, click Edit. You're going to go down here to Crop, then touch on this icon, and then you can simply tap 9:16 and it will actually frame it for you, and you can adjust where you want it to be in the scene. Click Done. Now I have all the photos formatted to fill the phone like that. And you can set your phone up to take the pictures like that all the time. That tutorial is linked in the caption below, and that's really helpful. So you might want to set your phone up to do that, because that's how mine works now. This trend is done very easily using a template in the editing app called Capcut. I'm going to show you a few ways to find the template. Go down to the caption and grab the video I have there. Now you can grab the template right here by just grabbing it and use template now. And that will take you into Capcut to this little screen where you can use the template. And it brings you right into your Capcut app with the template ready to go. Another way to find the template is just to simply touch on Capcut. And along the bottom, you'll see templates. And just type in the search, Photo Dump Deluxe. And that would bring it right up to the top here. So you can touch it and you can use the template. Now you need to select your photos. Go up to the top and look for the album you created. Once you find it, click Photos. That'll bring up all the photos. You're just going to add them here one by one, and so you can add them in the order you want them to appear. The last 17 photos you choose are the ones that are going to be on longer, so save your favorites for the end. So go on and pick your photos one by one and add them. Just keep tapping through the photos and adding them. If you don't want to use 86, you can repeat photos. You can use some twice or 3 times. And then when you get to the end and you hit your last photo, it'll look like that, and then you click Preview, and it's going to do its thing. Okay, and it's so easy and it's so much fun, because you don't know what it's going to look like until you hit that preview button. Click Export, and then you can save it and share it to TikTok. That's what it looks like. And I have a free TikTok workshop. The link is in my profile. Enjoy! If you have a lot of photos you want to